Ugh. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I don't want to go to bed. I mean, I want to go to sleep. I just don't want to get up. What? Yeah! Oh god! Oh god! What happened? What's going on? What's going on? When did I get a clock? That's so weird. Fine, I'll get up. Sorry, I just need a spit. An egg. Oh wait, that's a Pokeball. How am I that stupid? Whatever. Let me just. What? What's going on? What's going on? Hamburgers! I'm sorry. What? Oh, I'm so sorry, man. Torchic, you're a Torchic, right? Wait, you're a Torchic? Yeah, I'm Nugget the Torchic. Who are you? My name's Pingu from the show. Well, not from the show. I don't know. It could be copyrighted if I name myself Pingu. But anyways, you're friends with Zero. How do you know who Zero is? Like, I know him, but how do you know? You just come out of that Pokeball. I don't know. I just know. Okay. Hello? Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. I have ADHD. I just sometimes just stare at something without speaking at something, like the camera right there. Don't do that. Do what? That. The camera? Yeah, it doesn't look like it may be nature or something. Okay. Sorry. But anyways, what are you up to? I was just going on an adventure because some person wanted to tell me a secret or something. Oh my goodness! How you? Uh, oh. Anyways, I want to know something. Can I come to your adventure? What? I thought you're going on an adventure, like some sort of like thing. Are you? Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. Anyways, can I join? Okie dokie. Okay, I think I found his scent. Whose scent? The guy who just told you that you need to go on the adventure. Oh yeah. Uh, where is that scent? Okay. Okay. It's that way. I hate my life. Have no fear. The imposter is in this Pokeball because we're Pokemon. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. I'm trained. Okay. 1, 2. Chicken fries! Yeah! Okay, I'm not Pokemon at all because I'm a lizard, but seriously. What was that? I think I'm broken. Why on earth do I have to be with this guy? Oh my god, cave! Huh? Okay. So, why are we here again for? Pancakes! No! Tingle or wherever! What was that? I have ADHD. You told me this. Let's go in the cave. God. Okay, here it is, the cave. Okay. I don't trust this at all. Oh, well, it's actually pretty fine. Really? Yeah. Okay, I will trust you. Finally, why is it Lay's? Oh well, I'm tired anyway. God, why don't you help me? Wait, was there something I missed? I just took a nap. What's the kid doing screaming over to the other side of the wall? I don't know, but it looks like he's having fun. I don't think he's having fun. It sounds like he's saying memes from some place that the zero hate. That zero hate. Yeah, I think you. I agree on that. Never mind. That doesn't look like fun at all. So what do we do here? I don't know. Maybe this could be our house. I guess so. What's that? I don't know. It's some sort of SpongeBob ball. Hmm. I guess. Well, I guess this means goodnight. Because I'm going to sleep now. Alright, good night. You think we're going to be best friends forever? I don't know. But I guess we should be best friends. Yay!